Learn how to write and publish an Amazon #1 best-selling book with no prior experience. Have you ever wondered what it takes to become an Amazon #1 best-selling author? Well, join us for this intensive online training course and learn what it takes to get your book to the #1 spot on Amazon with an award-winning publisher. Having the credibility and status of a #1 Amazon best-selling author can have a profound impact on your business. However, until now, knowing what it takes to get to the Amazon top spot was shrouded in mystery. For the first time, we are disclosing the insider tips and strategies for getting a book to the #1 spot on Amazon for your chosen category. During the course, you will learn everything you need to know in order to write and publish and market your book to the #1 Amazon bestsellers list in the fastest time possible. At the end of the course, you'll know everything you need to know to not only write and publish books, but also to get them to the Amazon #1 spot. To enroll, click the link below.